Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna do the unboxing of the LG K31 Rebel phone. I purchased this phone on eBay. I paid $60 and this is what it comes with. I also want to mention it comes with the 1 year service. That's 1500 minutes or 1500 texts or 1500 megabytes of data. You can use that all three, and all three have 1500. So you, for example, you can use 700 minutes and 800 texts, but it's gonna be that 1500 is gonna be shared. I recommend, the moment you get it and activated it, probably turn off the data and just use it at home. 1500 minutes and text isn't a lot, but for, if you're buying it for somebody older who's just gonna, who's gonna send you a text every once in a while, it's gonna do fine for them for a year. Or if you have a small kid and you just want them to have some cheaper phone, and make sure they're okay, they have some kind of phone to contact you in case of emergency or something like that, I think this is a perfect deal. So before I even open the box, let me show you what comes in the bigger box, in the shipping box. So it comes with the car charger, and then it has a few apps like Pandora, Office Suite. You're gonna get like 3 months trial subscriptions. Choice between a case or earpods. I decided to go with the earpods. I'm planning to use this phone at home, so honestly I didn't think I needed a case. So I got the earpods. Let's see what they look like. So we got the, they look kind of like Apple's earpods, but in my mind, I'm like, they cost like $10 or something. As long as they work, I'll be happy. I can already tell it's very cheap and flimsy, but the earpods itself are pretty light. So that's one. And then we got the other one. And you can use them to talk. You can use them as Bluetooth headset also. This is how you charge it. So they charge it inside the case, and you also get like rubber silicone case for it. You pop it in. Oh, I got it the wrong way. Let's see. And it also has a hole so you can charge it inside the case. There we go. Looks nice. And then we got, what else we got? We got one of those belt clips. And of course we got the charger. It's an extremely short charger, not even a foot long. But I'm pretty sure you can also charge it with the car charger that came with it, or the phone charger, so you won't even need this. Then you have the little instruction manual. Let's put this back and open up the main thing, which is the phone. So this is gonna be my secondary phone. I needed something with with a different phone number. This was just perfect, $60 for everything that came in. With the year of service, you just can't beat that. That's why I like Tracfone. All right, let's see. I'm gonna pull out the whole thing. And before I forget, let me show you guys the specs if you guys wanna pause it. Basically it has 2 gigabytes of RAM. It's 5.7-inch screen. What else? Bluetooth 5.0. Android is gonna be on 10.0. I'm not sure if it's gonna be upgradable. I'm gonna find that out later. It does have a dual back camera, 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel wide angle. And I believe it has a 5 megapixel front camera, and as I mentioned, 2 gigabytes of storage and 32 gigabytes. I'm sorry, 2 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage. And yeah, that's about it. So let's see how it looks. This is probably all the manuals. Let me just hide the SIM card. So we got the instruction manual, and we got the Tracfone stuff. And let's just see what it comes before I open up the phone. Let's see what it comes inside. I believe it's gonna be, another quick start guide. And then another Tracfone. Man, they always put so many. Then we have the SIM card injector tool. We got the charger. A bit of a bigger brick, but I'm not sure if this is gonna be a fast charger. see if I can get it out. So here are the specs on the back of the charger. 1.2 amps, so it's not gonna be a fast charger, but then we have the charging cable. All right, so we got that out of the way. Now let's check the phone. Right off the bat, phone is very light. It didn't come with the battery, so I'm gonna assume it's installed inside. I don't think we can take off the back. Yeah, it's crazy because it's a very light phone. I honestly I would I would assume right off the bat it was missing a battery, but it's not. It's pretty light phone. We got a nice screen, 5.7 inch. It doesn't have big bezels. It has some on the as you guys can see on the bottom, and so it has 3,000 milliamp battery, and as I mentioned, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage. We got those two cameras with the flash. I'm not sure if this one has the fingerprint sensor. I believe it doesn't, because usually LG cheaper phones have it on the back, and since it's not on the front, I'm assuming it doesn't have it. So here we are. Let's see, and then we have the camera up front. Let's power it on and see if it comes on. Or it might need to be, oh, there we go. Since we're waiting for it to power on, let's go over the, so we got on the bottom, it looks like we got one speaker, so it's not gonna be a dual speakers. I don't see one on the top, so it's just gonna be one speaker. We got the charge port, we got 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. I believe this would be the microphone, not sure yet. And we got the power button on this side, and top there's nothing, and on this side we have the volume rockers. I believe this would be Google Assistant button, maybe. It doesn't say anything, so I'll find out. And then we have this big it looks pretty wide. I believe that's where the SIM card is, and probably SD card. That's why it has a little hole where we can input that SIM injector tool. So that's about it. I'm gonna set it up and use it for a week or two, and then I'll give you guys my honest opinion. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.